What is good, Bit Rushers? It's Kyler, and today we're going to talk about staking RUNE coin of ThorChain. You can see I got my background changed out to the ThorChain image here. So in case any of you guys don't know what ThorChain or RUNE is, before I go over the process of staking RUNE, I am going to just talk a little bit about what it is and why I would want to stake it. So if we come to the ThorChain website, which is thorchain.org, it says a decentralized liquidity network. ThorChain facilitates cross-chain liquidity pools with no pegged or wrapped tokens. So you can swap between assets between the different chains, stake assets to earn liquidity incentives, and run nodes to service the network. Right now you can see they got some of the big players, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Monero. It's looking to be a really good project. So what it is basically they have more liquidity because of the proof of staking. And so if you have coins that you're looking to leave on the network and you're not looking to remove them quickly, then someone else can use those coins and they can swap between the coins. That's basically my understanding of how it works. So just a real easy way to swap between coins. I think it's an up-and-coming chain. I think it's going to be really good when it swaps. When it actually launches. If we come over, let's look at the market cap real quick. Right now it's currently trading at about 10 cents per RUNE, and it's ranked 159 in terms of market cap with a little over $15 million market cap and a little bit over $250,000 in volume for the 24 hours. In addition to that, when you stake it, so the reason why we're staking it here is you're going to actually earn 1% weekly, which is a 52% APR of your balance, and it's going to be compounded, and that's until the BEP swap launches. And that's going to be their official platform that they use to swap the coins and basically facilitate the ThorChain. And so to get this started, you're going to need Binance. If you don't have Binance or you're unfamiliar with it, you can go ahead and click on the link I have in the description. And I actually, don't use Binance a whole lot, but for this particular project, you're going to need to get BNB coins, which are Binance's coins, and some other exchanges have BNB coins. So if you, if you're on another, exchange that has BNB, you can buy them there as well. So go ahead and do that. But for everyone else, you're going to need to get Binance, and it's actually a pretty lengthy process of setting up. If you don't have it, at least a couple hours. You have to verify several things, take a picture of your ID, and things like that. The reason you need to get the BNB coin is that Binance's coin BNB is actually the very first test of ThorChain and of RUNE. So BNB is actually the same token as RUNE is, and so we need to get BNB so we can swap it equally, just like with Ethereum, how you can swap different tokens, ERC20 tokens for other ERC20 tokens, same theory. So we're going to have to go to Binance to do that. I have that on my cell phone, so I'm going to do a quick screen capture of that for you guys, and I'll should have that here, little like picture-in-picture or whatever. Okay, so you want to click on your Binance app, and once you're in Binance, I actually have Bitcoin that I'm going to use to trade. If you don't have any Bitcoin, you can just use your USD if that's what you want. But what you need to do is click on the markets, and in markets we are then going to search for the BNB, and you can see I already have it kind of up here because I remembered it from last time. So click on BNB, and for me, I am going to be using the BNB to Bitcoin, but if you're in the USD, just click the USD. Then I'm going to click on buy. So I want to buy some BNB coins. We're going to click on the amount in BNB. And so BNB is currently trading at about $15. So for each BNB coin, you're going to need to put in $15. So just go ahead and do the math and divide your total amount by the So I am going to just bust out my calculator here real quick. I'm going to put in about $500, and we're going to divide that by 1540. And it's going to be about 32. So you're going to put 32 in, and my available Bitcoin, you can see I have enough to clear the transaction, and just click buy. It says successful, so you come into your wallet. It is going to take a few minutes for the transfer to happen. So once your coins are transferred into your BNB, you're going to need to get the Trust wallet. And you're going to need to get this on a mobile app as well, on your cell phone, Android, iPhone, etc. And what the Trust wallet does is it's just a wallet that allows you to stake other coins. And so go ahead and download that. I'll leave a link in the description if you need it. So now that I have my wallet downloaded, I'm going to transfer my BNB coins to my Trust wallet. So let's open up the Trust wallet, and let's get our BNB address. To get your BNB address, it's going to be the receive button, and this will bring up your QR code if you can scan it like that. I'm just going to click copy to copy it, and get out of here, and go back into Binance. Once you're in Binance, you're going to click on the BNB token and click withdraw. We're going to then paste our address into the address field, and for Venmo I'm just going to put RUNE, so I know that this is for my RUNE, and then I'm going to click max, and we're going to max this out here. And what will happen is when you max it out, it's actually going to I think it won't go through because you need to pay the fee. You can see the fee of 001, and so what we need to do is just go in and take 1 off. So let's make that a 5, and that should then give us the right amount that we can send. So then just click withdraw, and it's going to ask for an SMS code through Binance just to verify that we are who we say we are. 2-factor authentication, keeping our account safe. And you have to click send SMS, and it's going to give you 59 seconds from the time you hit send. So it's going to be 897899. And submit that code. Your code is going to be different, obviously. Whatever code you get, you're going to go ahead and want to put in, and that's it. So you've now sent your BNB coin to your Trust wallet. If we go back to our Trust wallet, let's see if that is now in there. Let's wait a second here. It usually takes a few minutes for these transfers to go through. Okay, so my transfer has been complete. I now have my BNB tokens in my Trust wallet. It does take about 10-15 minutes, depending on the speed of the miners mining the block. And also there was a third-factor authentication. You have to click on a link within your email that I forgot to do, so I had to do another transaction after the ones you guys saw. But we are here now, and we have our BNB coin within our Trust wallet. And to get our RUNE coin now, we need to go to the DEX. Just click on that at the bottom of your screen, and where it says Myth, we want to click on that. And within the search here now, we want to search RUNE, R-U-N-E. You'll see it pop up. You can click on that token, and it's going to by default try to have you pay RUNE and get BNB. We want to swap that to the opposite, so that we're paying our BNB and we're getting our RUNE. And just click next. We have to enter the amount of RUNE you get. And so in the pay area where it's 0 for BNB, you're going to max it out again 100, and then just back out a little bit to leave some in there for the transaction to go through. Click next. We'll bring you to the confirm screen. Just hit send. And that's it, successfully swapped. now that it is in here, you can see I have 4,802 RUNE coin, and I already have 256 frozen from being able to stake them. That's what happens when you stake them, they're frozen. And so I'm going to show you guys the process real quick to connect your wallet, and then I'll show you how to stake them. Once you've swapped out for your RUNE coin, you can then go ahead and stake. And to stake it, you need to go to runevault.org. Make sure it's the .org and not the .com. And just go ahead and click on the Connect My Wallet in the top right. You then want to click Wallet Connect and click on the Connect button. This will bring up your QR code, and you're going to have to scan this with your cell phone on your Trust Wallet to connect. Okay, so once your Trust Wallet is connected to your RUNE Vault, you can come back to runevault.org. You're going to click Stake Now, and you want to click on your RUNE coin and click Stake. This will then ask for the amount of coin, and the amount that you've not staked will be right here underneath, you can see. So I just want to type that amount. For me, it's going to be 45.46, and click Stake RUNE. This will take a few minutes, so just leave it here, and you do see you need to pay a 0.005 BNB token to the network fee, so make sure you have that much at least left in your account as well to pay those fees. Okay, so once that's complete, you can navigate back to RUNE coin within your Trust wallet, and you can now see that all of your RUNE coin has been frozen, which means that it's now staking. You'll now get paid 1% every single week. You will get paid that 1% in RUNE coin, so you'll accumulate more RUNE coin with your staking, and then if the price of RUNE coin goes up, then in addition you'll make money on the price rising, and in addition by accumulating the compounded 1% weekly of the actual RUNE token. Not investment advice, so make sure you guys do your own research as always, do your own due diligence, and come to your own conclusions based on your understanding of the market. Alright, that's it for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit the thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell for notifications and future videos, and share with any friends you think may like this video. Until next time, happy mining, let's get that coin.